Welcome dear students, myself Purushottam Pathak. Today I will explain you exercise 5.1 of NCERT maths for standard 7. See the exercise 5.1 that is in your NCERT maths book. Turn on page number 101. First sum is there. Find the complements of each of the following number, and first sum is given as 20 degree. To find the complement of 20 degree, we will write complement of 20 degree equals to 90 degree minus 20 degree equals to 70 degree. As I have got the complement by subtracting the given angle from 90. Similarly, you can subtract the second and third from 90 to find the complement. Now come to the second sum, that is 2 number sum is in page number 102. Find the supplement of each of the following angle, and first one is 105 degree. The supplement of 105 degree will be, as I had explained you in the previous class, that supplement is found by subtracting the given angles from 180 degree. So we will subtract 105 degree from 180 degree to get supplement, that is 75 degree. In this way you can find the second and third yourself. Come to the next sum, that is third one. In the third sum you are asked identify which of the following pair of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. If the sum of given pair of angles is 90 degree, then they are complementary. If the sum of given pair is 180 degree, then they are supplementary. Come, let us check out. Third one, page number 102. In the first sum, it is 65 degree and 105 degree. Let us check. 65 degree plus 105 degree equal to 180 degree. Hence, they are supplementary. Similarly, if you look at the second sum, in the second one 63 and 27, 63 degree, 27 degree, the sum of 63 degree and 27 degree is 90 degree, hence they are complementary. In this way you can go for the checking of remaining pair of angles given there. Now come to the 4 number sum. In the 4 number sum, find the angle which is equal to its complement. To find the complementary angle which are equals, we will use the variable x. Let the required angle be x. Then, as it has been explained, they are equal, complements are equal, so sum of both the angles will be 90 degree. Upon solving the equation, we get here 2x equals to 90 degree, or x equals to 90 degree by 2, therefore x equals to 45 degree. 45 degree is the angle which is equal to its complement. Now look at the 5 number sum. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Very easily you can solve that sum also using this one, because in the complementary the sum was 90, in the supplementary the sum will be 180. Let me change this sum, it's very easy. See the 5 number, all other things will remain same, the RHS will change for all the portions. It's 180 degree, 2x will be 180 degree, x will be 90 degree, so x 90 degree will be your answer. 4 and 5 both sums were similar. Come to the 6 number sum now. In the 6 number, in the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. One figure is given there. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. It's told that they are supplementary because they lies on a straight line. If angle 1 is decreased, let us decrease it. What change should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? See, 6 number sum from the page 102. Let angle 1 is, it is told to decrease this angle, so we will decrease it by x degree. Angle 1 is decreased by x degree. According to question, angle 1 plus angle 2, it was 180 degree. On decreasing angle 1 by x degree, we get, see what happens here, angle 1 minus x degree plus angle 2 equals to, see, angle 1 plus angle 2 was 180 degree. Once it is decreased by x degree, 180 degree will also be decreased by x degree, but once it is less than 180 degree, it's not supplementary. We have to write here they are not supplementary, only indicate here not supplementary, but we need them to be supplementary. So to make the equation more clarified, we will write angle 1 minus x degree plus angle 2. If you bring this x to LHS, this will be plus x degree, then it will be 180 degree. Now if you make the pair of these two angles, angle 1 is decreased by x degree, then what effect we got here? Angle 2 is increased by x degree, hence angle 2 will be increased as when angle 1 is decreased, then angle 2 will increase, then only they will remain supplementary. I think this sum is also clear to you. Now come to the next sum, that is 7 number sum. Now in the 7 number sum, it has been asked, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute? First part is acute. When they are acute, see, let us clarify by assuming the angle to be x. Let angle x is less than 45 degree and angle y is also less than not 45 degree. Instead of 45, let us take 90, because they are acute, and acute angles are always less than 90 degree. And in the question it is asked, can they be supplementary? To be supplementary, they need to be equals to 180 degree. Now, angle x plus angle y, that will be, let me write it clearly. Angle x plus angle y, it will also be less than 90 degree plus 90 degree. That is, angle x plus angle y is less than 180 degree. This is the not the condition of being supplementary, so we'll have to write here hence no. Similarly, if you go for the second one where both the angles are obtuse, in that case you will get, let angle x is greater than 90 degree and angle y is greater than 90 degree. Now if you solve the equation very similarly as I have solved here, you will get the sum of both the angles is greater than 180 degree. That will also be no. But in the third case where it is given right angles, then angle x will be 90 degree, angle y will be equals to 90 degree, the sum will be 180 degree. In that case you will get that both the angles are supplementary. I think as I have given you the language to solve the first part, you can solve the second and third part yourself easily. Go for that. Come to the next sums. It's very easy thing, it has been asked here, that is an angle is greater than 45 degree. Is its complementary angle greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45? Let the let angle x is greater than 45 degree. Rather than using angle x equal to 45 degree, let measure of angle x equal to measure of angle A equals to, say this is angle A, it's more than 45 degree. That is, measure of angle A equals to 45 degree plus x degree. Then the complement of angle A equals to 90 degree minus 45 degree plus x degree. Upon solving the equation, you will get angle A equals to angle A equals to 45 degree minus x degree. Hence, it's clear that it will be, hence it will be less than 45 degree, less than 45 degree. Now, after going up to 8, come to the 9 number. One figure is given there in the 9 number. Let me draw that figure to clarify the things. Several angles are also drawn there. Two lines AB and CD intersected at point O. A, B, C, D. This point was O. One ray OE is also there. And angles are named as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5. in the first part, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Angle 1 and angle 2, one OC is the common side. So we can write yes because OC is common side. Come. Second part. Is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE? AOC and angle AOE. No, they are not adjacent. No, because as angle AOE includes, this is a part of angle A. Oh, I think it will not be clearly visible to you here. I have reduced the size here. Angle AOE includes angle AOC. That's why it's no. Now, third part is, do angle COE and EOD form a linear pair? COE and EOD. See, COE and EOD. COE, this pair angle, and EOD. EOD or D is here. I had written D here, that I have rubbed right now. So EOC and EOD, that makes the straight line CD. So we will write yes, line CD is formed. Come to the fourth part. That is, are angle BOD and angle DOA. BOD and DOA supplement. BOD and DOA, yeah, they form the straight line AB. Yes, we can write same thing here also. Line AB is formed. Line AB is formed. Now, thereafter, the fifth part is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4? Yes, they are vertically opposite. Yes, as they are formed by AB and CD. These are two lines which intersected to form these two vertically opposite angles. And the last one, sixth part, is what is the vertically opposite angle of angle 5? Vertically opposite angle of angle 5. This angle was angle 5. That is angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3. And if you look carefully, angle 2 plus angle 3 is angle COB, or you can write it as angle BOC. This was 9 number. Now come to the next sum, that is 10 number sum. One figure is given there also. Let me draw that figure. In this figure, once again, two lines are intersected and one ray has been raised from the intersection, and angles are named as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, the first part is indicate which pair of angles are vertically opposite. So vertically opposite we can see here angle 1 and angle 4. Another pair is also there, angle 5 and angle 2 plus angle 3. If you take the sum of these two angles, that is the vertically opposite angle of angle 5. In the second part, you are asked linear pair, angle 4 plus angle 5, not only angle 4, angle 1 plus angle 5, angle 1 plus angle 5, another angle 5 plus angle 4, that is angle 5 plus angle 4. we can go for another pair also, angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, but these two sets require more than two angles. That's why, but you can write it. We can't ignore them. Now, after the 10 number, come to the 11 numbers. In the 11th, from the page number 103, one figure is given like this. It looks like Z, and one angle 1 is there and angle 2 is here. You are asked in the following figure, angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? We will write no, because let us think about why they have separate vertex, because they don't have common vertex. To be adjacent, they need the common vertex as well as one common side. There is no common, but however there is one common side, but no vertex is common. That's why they are not adjacent. Come to the 12 number sum. In the 12 number, in the first figure, two lines are intersected in such a way that the angle from this side is 55 degree and another side is given as x. The upper angle is given as y and the lower is given as z. You are asked to find the value of x, y and z. See, x equals to, it's vertically opposite angle of 55 degrees, so we will write 55 degree. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Y equals to, see, these two angles forms the linear pair. So angle Y will be 180 degree minus 55 degree, that is 125 degree. And Z equals to, Y and Z are vertically opposite angles, so we can write Z equals to 125 degree, as this is also vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angle of 125 degree. Okay. Now, in the first figure, as I have found these values, following these steps, try to find the second part yourself. This was the first part of 12 numbers. Second part is also there. Try to find it yourself. Of course, you will be able to find them. Now, come to the next sum, that is 13 number sum. In the 13 number, you are asked, fill in the blanks. If two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measure is. In the 13, first is complementary angle. Sum of complementary angles measure 90 degree. 2. If two angles are supplementary, the sum of their measure, I have already explained to you, that will be supplementary 180 degree. Two angles forming a linear pair. Linear pair making angles are supplementary to each other, not complementary. Are supplementary. And the fourth part is, if two adjacent angles are supplementary, they form just opposite of the third one. If they were supplementary, they formed the linear pair. They forming the linear pair, then they are supplementary. So we will write here linear pair. And next one, fifth part is if two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are always, I had explained you, these were equal. So we will write here equal. And the sixth one is if two lines intersect at a point and if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angles. If these pairs are acute, then of course these pairs will be obtuse because they form the linear pair. So you will write here obtuse. Now last sum, that is 14th sum. One figure is given there. Let me draw that figure also to clarify it. The exercise was longer. It took little bit long, but I had tried my best to clarify the things to you. The line AC is there. Another line BD is there. They intersected at point O, and OE is also a ray line there. You are asked in the 14 number, that is from the page 103, first one. In the adjoining figure, name the following pairs of angles, obtuse vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles, of course, angle BOC, and obtuse is angle AOD. No other pair is there. Similarly, second one, adjacent complementary angles. Adjacent complementary angle which completes 90 degree. These are adjacent complementary angles. Angle AOB and angle line, name of this line was given as ray was OE. So angle AOB and angle AOE. Thereafter, third part, equal supplementary angle. 90 degree and 90 degree. It looks that is perpendicular over here. So these will be the equal supplementary angles. Angle BOE and angle DOE. Now fourth is unequal supplementary angles. These are supplementary but unequal. So we can write angle BOC and angle DOC. Now fifth part, adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. Adjacent angles do not form these are also adjacent angles. These are also adjacent angles but forming the linear pair. These are the adjacent angles. They do not form linear pair. These are the adjacent angles. They do not. So we can write two pairs here. Angle AOE and angle EOD. One and another pair is also there, angle EOD and angle DOC or COD, whatever you write. This way, solve the exercise 5.1. Very soon I will solve the exercise 5.2. I will explain you the 5.2 in the next class. Thank you very much.